Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block Telegram contact. First, open Telegram. Now make sure you're logged into your account. On the lower left part of your screen, you'll see Contacts. Tap that. In here, you'll find a person you wish to block. You can use the search bar in order for you to search that specific person. But in my case, I'll try to choose this specific contact that I have. From here, tap the name located on the upper part of your screen. Here, you'll see the contact. Again, make sure this is the contact you want to block. And then on the right part of your screen, you'll see 3 dots. Then you'll have an option to block user. So tap on block user. And then confirm by tapping the block option again. And then from here, you can just go back and you'll see that they are already blocked from your contact. Now, if you want to unblock the person, you just need to go back to your contacts, tap the name of the person you want to unblock, and then just press unblock. And that's how to block Telegram contact. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.